How to show recycle bin folder on Windows Explorer. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can show the Windows recycle bin folder. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and click on view, and then here you'll find the show option, and then you'll have the navigation pane option. Go ahead and view the navigation pane first, so click on show, go to navigation pane, and it will be shown right here. So all you have to do now is just go ahead and go to view again. And then, so what you can do next is simply go ahead and go to your desktop, find the recycle bin option. If you don't see it, you could just right click on it and then go to view. And then here you can show desktop icons. Now, once you have the recycle bin, just right click on it, and then you're going to have to pin it to quick access. Click on pin to quick access. Now open your file explorer and check if it has been pinned. As you can see, the recycle bin is now pinned to my quick access. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.